Hello everyone, today I'm gonna share with you one simple way to make the best chicken chest dish. Once you try it, you will cook it every week. 2 chicken chests, around 600 grams. Let's give a little cut to the chicken. In this way, the chicken will be much tender and tasty. Be careful, don't cut off the chicken.
Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive. I know July is gone, you make me feel at home.
We season the chicken with salt and black pepper.
As the leaves change,
Let's heat the pan first. 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of flour. Let's coat the chicken chest. Shake off the extra flour. Fry the chicken in medium-high heat.
beneath an endless night.
When the color of the chicken becomes golden, we flip to another side.
Like stars that never die. You
More salt and black pepper. Around 4 minutes later, when the other side of the chicken color also becomes golden, we put a tablespoon of butter, 5 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Stir fry a little bit. 2 tablespoons of honey.
baby, this is the season of love. As the
1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Half tablespoon of cider vinegar. Simmer the chicken in low heat for a few minutes until the sauce gets thick. Now we can turn off the fire. Today I will enjoy my chicken chest with some vegetable salad and bread. Normally I dress my salad very simple, just some vinegar, olive oil and salt, but it's delicious and healthy. Let's enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you next time.
like leaves we